What do you call snow in a vampire?
What
do you call snow in a vampire?
Snow vampire?
Snow what?
Frostbite. You film that one?
That's a good one.
I got it at 101 joke book. Yeah. Yeah.
Shadows fall on yesterday. It's like time just slips away. I'm nothing. Darkness follows me. The dawn man shows its head. I'm left dying here instead. With nothing. A lock without a key. Like the brightest star, you shine through baby. You make me feel so alive. I've got purpose once again. Yeah, yeah. Ashley, baby. You make me feel so alive. I've got purpose once again. Yeah, yeah. I've got purpose once again. If looks would kill, you'd be the one that takes my world and makes me numb. I'm nothing. Without you I can't breathe. And as the sunlight burns the sky, I see through my obsessive eyes. I'm nothing. Without you I can't see. Like the brightest star, you shine through. Ashley, baby. You make me feel so alive. I've got purpose once again. Yeah, yeah. Ashley, baby. You make me.
Frank, do something funny. Nathan, something funny.
Knock knock. Knock knock.
Yeah?
I said knock knock.
Knock knock.
What the hell? I'm gonna say who's there.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock knock.
Banana who?
I said you have to say who's there.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock.
Get it?
Banana. I know it's you, Banana.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Orange.
Orange and banana?
No, just orange.
Orange, how's it going?
They have to say who's there. Orange who?
Orange who?
Orange glided, say banana.
That's a good one.
I know.